My name is Javier Nunez.
And I am Dominic Nunez.
And welcome to our most recent rehab here in the city of Alexandria. So we are licensed contractors, Class A license in the state of Virginia. And we are also real estate agents, licensed in DC, Maryland, and Virginia. We do residential rehabs, additions, kitchen renovations, deck renovations, bathroom renovations, flooring, roofing. We pull permits for clients. We pull permits for all types of residential remodeling. And for this specific house, what we did for the client is we rehabbed the entire property. We repainted everything. We changed up some of the lighting. We did a full deck restoration. We added a fence on the backyard to enclose the space. We also brought our design team inside to take care of the aesthetics and make this a warm, light feeling Airbnb rental.
We are known for expediting projects to meet strict deadlines efficiently to the client's needs. We also take a lot of pride in our quality control, whether it's a small or large scale project. We also do commercial construction, which includes office buildings, retail stores, warehouses, and more. In the commercial side, we involve architects, engineers, and other contractors.
Thank you for touring our most recent rehab here in the city of Alexandria. Again, my name is Javier Nunez.
And my name is Dominic Nunez. If you have any questions, please give us a call.